Hey Gump, is that you out there, Gump? Swimming around, fishing around, riding around in that big badass front boat in the Bam? Breaker, breaker.
Yeah, that's right, man. I'm trying to get a look out this Charlie Brown, I'm trying to work.
Well, hey, weed killer, you're gonna need a little bit more than that walkie-talkie. Gonna need a little bit more than that walkie-talkie today. Holiday Way Weed Killer 601 stepping, I'll see ya.
This old 687.
Roger on that, Gump. I don't know what's going on with my Mother Nature. I've lost part of Tennessee and part of Alabama. Not been hearing it really good like I have been in months past, but I hear you out there, man. I do. Gump Brown's back out.
Anybody got a copy on Arkansas?
Hey, Roger, wasn't that kind of fun? Yeah.
Alright, I'm here. I'm right here. Come on.
Charlie Brown, brother.